His name is Senavia Joseph. I'm doing computer science. Now, what we are going to do, I'm going to show how to install Windows 10 in a computer. So, we look for our virtual machine, which is called Oracle VirtualBox. Oracle VirtualBox Manager. This is its interface. So we go to new. We put in the virtual name, we put Windows 10. Then for ISO image, we go to other, we go to our local disk, see where we downloaded our Windows 10 image. So we select it. Then we uncheck the proceed with unintended installation. Then we say finish. Then we go to settings, go to system, make sure that the optical, the boot device order is the one at the top. Then we press OK. Then we go back to the setting. We go to now storage. For the storage, we select the Windows 10. Then for the attributes, yeah, we choose a disk file. Then we again select the Windows 10 image which we downloaded. Then OK. Then after there we say start. How the Windows 10 is running in the virtual machine. This is how it looks. Then in Windows setup, when you're installing Windows, you select the language, which is English United States, and the time is also for United States. Then the keyboard or input method is also for US. Then you click to next, then install now. Then here they say activate Windows and put the product key. But right now we don't have a product key, so you proceed. I don't have a product key. Then you press next. Then here they say select the operating system you want to install. So we are going to install Windows 10 Home because doesn't need more it doesn't need more complication. So I press next. So the applicable notices and license terms. So you read through, then you check the box to accept the license terms, you press next. So which type of installation do you want? So you click on custom, install Windows only, advanced. Then they say where do you want to install Windows? You say drive 0 allocated space 50 GB. Then you press next. Then it is the Windows setup, Windows saying installing Windows, then the status saying get files ready for installation at 0%. So wait until our installation reaches at 100%. Getting files ready for installation is at 1%. So installing will take some time. That depends on the machine you are using. So our installation is now at 6%. Our installation is now at 20%, so we still have more time. So the installation speed depends on the RAM and the hard disk space. So if you have a lot disk space, it may be too slow, and the size of the RAM. So now our copying Windows file is at 40%, so we still have more time. So now we have reached 55%. Mega man. So now our file's at 63%. We're still waiting. So as I said, the installation speed depends on your RAM and the Windows hard disk. So now it is at 71%. So now we have reached at the installation at 82%. So we still have that time until this green ribbon reaches this side. So we still have more time. So now we are waiting for the installing updates of the Windows. So as we wait for the installation, what I can talk more about is that first we first installed the Windows image, which was Windows 10. Then we also downloaded the VirtualBox, which is Oracle VirtualBox. So that's all what we needed for this installation. So we say we are pressing a key to boot from CD or DVD. So we press a key, then Windows starts up. Starting services. As we see now, the Windows is getting ready. Another thing, when you are installing Windows, you have to have some internet connection. So also that is a requirement when you are installing Windows for the first time. So they say press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So you press any key. When you press a key, so the installation process is continue. So now this is the Windows welcome screen. We have here.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
So
If you need an assistive
Windows
screen
10,
reader,
when you are
press the Windows,
installing it
Control,
for the
and
first
Enter
time,
keys at the same
it has
time to
Cortana,
turn
it's
on
like
Narrator.
an
Okay,
Windows app
enough
assistant.
intro. Let's dig in.
So now they
Your
say,
region is set to United
let's start with
States.
region.
Is that right?
So you select your region, which is Uganda. Press yes. So for all that to work, you have to remember that you have to have some internet connection.
Your
So
keyboard is
now
set to
they
US.
say
Want to stick with that?
select the right keyboard layout. So the keyboard layout, I'll select United Kingdom because it's too simple to use. Then you say
Do you
yes.
also type with another keyboard layout?
Then they say what you want to add the second keyboard layout. You say skip.
Now we have some important setup to do. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Please don't turn off your device.
So another thing which I can add on as you be setting up the Windows 10.
Still setting things up.
Plug it in my power so that the installation setup doesn't get crashed.
Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting things up. Thanks for your patience. We're still working. Please don't turn off your device. Still setting. Please don't turn off your device. Okay, we got through this part of setup.
Seminggu aku bilang video ya. Eh, So as we wait for our container, the Windows Assistant, to make some changes, this is a must step, so you can't keep it, because Windows 10 it has a Windows Assistant which is container. So you just have to wait more time until some setups are made.
Type what you want to name your account.
Now we are going to, they say who's going to use this PC, what name do you want to use? So as an admin, you can say admin, say, then you say next,
Okay, now type a password for your
then
account.
create a super memorable password. You're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press next.
And one more time to make sure
Then you
we've got it
confirm your
right.
password also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now you can set up 3 security questions to
Then
help you
set a
reset your
security
password if you
question for
forget
this
it. Choose the
account
first
in case you
question and
forget
type
your
your answer.
password. So select, you can say, what is your first name? You can put anything, you can say Papu. This helps you in case you forget your password. So it
Now
is a
for the
must
second one.
step.
Same
It is a
drill.
must step to finish. Then if they say set a security question for, to say what is the name of the city we are born, say Entebbe, and you say next.
Third one's a charm. Choose your last
And for
question, type the
question
answer,
3, you
and you're
say
good
what
to
is your
go.
childhood nickname, say baby. You have to make sure that the things you put will be able to remember them in case you forget your password when you're creating this account. And after that, you say next. If not that, you can, the questions they ask, you can write them somewhere and their answers, so that in case you forget your password, you can be able to unlock it. So just wait a moment until some things are set up by the Windows Assistant. So as you see, Windows setting up takes a lot of time. And another thing, you have to have a lot of space. So, and here they say always have access to your recent browsing data. So you can say not now, or you can accept, but right now we don't want to save not now.
These are
So
the
they set
settings Microsoft
friendly
recommends.
settings for your
Go ahead and
device.
review
You
them and
can
select
allow the
Accept when you're ready.
location, the diagnostic data, you accept, you just accept.
Based on
So
the
they say let's
activities you choose
customize
here,
your
you will get a
experience.
personalized experience as you set up your device.
In case you have a business, you can click the option of business, or if it's for gaming, you can select, or if it's for school projects, for right now, you can say school project. School, we select the one for school, then we say accept. If not, you can skip it. So we just wait again for some few minutes until some things are set up. So, and another thing, we made our password. It was 12345. So you have to make sure that you don't forget it in case they ask it when you are logging in. So as they said, don't turn off your PC, so it has to be plugged in because the installation takes several minutes and it uses a lot of power on the PC. So we just wait again for some several minutes. So for Windows 10, when you're installing it, as I said, there's the Windows Assistant, which is Quantana. So now they say Windows stays up to date to help protect you in an online world. So for all these to happen, you have to have some internet connection. So that's where we are. So as I say, for Windows, for when you're installing it, you have to have some internet connection. The Windows stays up to date to help you protect you in an online world. So being online, it can update some packages which are recent so that you can be able to work on many things. So as you see now, our Windows is ready. So they say this is a network setting. You can set it up. You click yes, you allow. And this for right now we say no. So on the web browser, I'll say maybe later. So now our Windows is ready. You can refresh it. That is all. So as I said, now our account is admin with it has also a password. So you can go to setting and you know what Windows you have installed. So you go to the system and you scroll down, you say about what you have, what you know more what you have installed. So device name is that, the processor is 12 generation, installed RAM is 2 GB, and the Windows is Windows 10 Home. So in case you want to get the product key, you can select this option. So now the Windows is ready to operate. So you can password. Ngoda w'ebigaanyi. Kale password. H A R O N N. Enter. Enter. Ebigaanyi. Ngenda bisalamu olwo mbadde mmaliriza. H A R O N. Kano waliwo nkalabye. Leka njasi waliwo kali wano. Nanti nange kyekyensonga eyo. So as I said, the password is 1 2 3 4 5 for privacy. Then you enter. So then there you can restart your device. Thank you. I'm Senabia Joseph, student doing computer science.